Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be unboxing and reviewing a juicer from Amzchef. I've been always wanted to get myself a juicer for quite a while now, and I want to say thanks to Amzchef for reaching out to me and sent me a lovely juicer. Guys, very soon we're gonna unbox this juicer together. Then we're gonna juice some veg and fruits together. Okay, so there we go, guys. Let's begin to unbox this. I like how secure it is. Okay. So this is a cold press juicer. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So this is everything that come out the box. Here we have all the instruction about the slow juicer, how to put it together, how to clean it, all the instruction. Okay, so and here you have some good information on how to prepare some juice. All these juices are very beneficial to our body. Lots of vitamins, help with our immune system. So this is a recipe book for some juice. I love how it's really very secure here. Okay. These are all the pieces. This is a cleaning brush. It's very firm. It helps to take out whatever bits inside. Then this is 2 cups. This is for the pulps of the fruit and vegetable. And this cup, this is a measurement juicer cup where I put the juice in. Now, guys, I'm really happy that I get the black one, and the black suits very well with my color theme in my kitchen. And I love how it have this at the bottom, so it keeps it in place. Here we have the pusher. It's very flexible here. Now here we have the feeding cup. You close it here. Here is where all the juice pipe it out. Here we have the feeding cup. It's wide enough to put fruits and veg in. The capacity inside is very wide to hold a lot of fruits and veg. This is a juicing bowl. That's where the juice comes from. And here is where the waste of the fruits and veg goes. It helps to squeeze out the juice so it go in like this. So you put it in like that. There's an arrow here. Lock it. Open. It's open like that. So this cup, if you notice the sides, you put it here. Now the waste, the pulp from the fruits and veg here, and the measuring cup will go here. And these cups are really big. The amount of juice that you can hold in here, 1000 ml. And if it's ounce, up to 35 ounce there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wash these out, and then we're gonna make some juice, fruits and veg. All right, so I'm gonna use half cucumber. It's organic. I'm gonna use some celery here, some ginger. I love lots of ginger in my juice. I love ginger. 3 organic carrot, and then I'm gonna use some beetroot. Beetroot is very good for your bloodstream. This juice is very beneficial for your immune system and your gut health. So I'm just gonna begin. So let's wash. let's begin, guys. Once I finish juicing the fruit and veg, I'll give my overall review on this cold press juicer. The ways go here, open, it stop. Okay, so let's put some carrots. Let's see how it works. It's just slightly wet. Guys, when squeezing the celery, you have, because it's stringy, it gets stuck. Okay, so you have to clean it. So now I've cleaned it out. It's all clean. Because it's stringy, it leaves stuff, so it blocked it up. Okay, let's start again. So I have to empty the container for the pulp because it was getting full. This is a lot of juice here. That is 700 ml. Let's begin. Let's take this baby apart and then we're gonna clean it. It's just easily take apart. That's what I like about it. So whatever leaf here, you just take this bit and clean it. As you know, like pineapple and these stringy fruits and veg, obviously you know they're gonna get caught in it, so makes it very easy with this sharp edge to just take the bits that leave over are stuck inside. Take it out. Okay, that's the stringy bits. Very easily clean. First, let me give the honest review regarding how the juice came out. So there's little bits and pieces here. Let's talk about the measurements here. The measurements on the cup. The measurement is not that visible. If you turn it to a different angle, you can see it, but if you look at it forward like that, it's not visible. If it was white, it would be a lot more visible. Another thing is the max on the feeding cup is not also visible. It's difficult to see. There's a max up here, so it's not visible. The lock on the juicing bowl is not visible. So let's try this juice. see what it tastes like. Can taste the lime in it. The lime is really strong because what I did, I cut the lime and I put the skin and everything inside. The ginger, as I said, I like it when it have a lot of ginger in it. The ginger is the right amount. The beetroot is very earthy. Juice come out really lovely. I want to say thank you Amzchef for sending me this juicer. If you would like to purchase this product, the link would be in my description. Also, there's a discount code would be in the link below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.